To start off the face, I am beginning with primer. I'm using my Milani Make It Last setting spray to help prime my face, and then I'm just fanning that in. And then for foundation, I am using Revlon Color Stay, which is a super buildable foundation. I really love it. It's been one of my favorites for a long time, and since I don't wear concealer, it's perfect to just pat a little extra on the areas I want to cover up more. To add some definition into my face, I am contouring with the Wet n Wild contour stick around my forehead, my cheekbones, and my jawline, and then I am just blending that in with my beauty blender. I know it looks a little crazy, a little harsh now, but in the end, it all looks good. That's my philosophy. In the summer, I think it is crucial to set our cream products with powder, so I'm going in with this NYC bronzer over the areas that I just contoured so that it'll define them a little bit more and make sure that they last all day. And then I'm just blending it out. Next, I'm going in with the Glossier Cloud Paint in Beam as a cream blush to add color to my face. To set the blush, I'm going in with this Milani blush in the shade Luminoso. To highlight my face, I'm using this Becca liquid highlighter, and you only need a little tiny bit. To set my brows in place, I am using this clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Then I am curling my lashes. Next, I'm applying mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise onto my lashes. I love this mascara. Then I am lining my lips with this NYX lip liner in Peekaboo Neutral. And topping it off with this Milani lipstick in Nude Cream. To finish the look, I am spraying my face with this Milani Make It Last setting spray. And this is the finished look.